Jai Jagannath friends, hello, welcome to Tiklumanth Sir channel. So today we'll discuss about learning English at elementary level. To the question number 11. English language has caused option A division among the people, option B growth of nationalism, option C unrest in India, option D language problem in India. The correct answer is growth of nationalism. English language has caused growth of nationalism. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 12. More number of language can be learned at the option A elementary level, option B preschool stage, option C high school level, option D higher secondary level. The correct answer for the question is elementary level. More number of language can be learned at the elementary level. Elementary level, more number of language can be learned. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 13. The question is about the best way to help a learner to master language is option A exposure, option B practice, option C exposure and practice, option D multilingual approach. The correct answer for the question is exposure and practice. The best way to help a learner to master a language is exposure and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. It can help a learner to become a master. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 14. How many languages a child is expected to learn in India? How much? Guess. So first option A 2 languages, option B 3 languages, option C 4 languages, option D more than 4 languages. The correct answer for the question is 3 languages. 3 languages a child is expected to learn in India. 3 languages a child is expected to learn in India. Okay, then expected learning outcomes are known as option A general aims, option B general objectives, option C linguistic objectives, option C specific objectives. The correct answer for the question is specific objectives. Expected learning outcomes are known as specific objectives. Okay, expected learning outcomes are known as specific objectives. Then come to the next question. Question number 16. Okay, knowledge of English language as a means for written expression is more essential for option A elementary level, option B secondary level, option C higher secondary level, option D higher education. Knowledge of English language as a means for written expression is more essential for higher education. Okay, the correct answer is higher education. The knowledge of English language as a means for written expression is more essential in higher education. Is more essential in higher education. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 17. English is most popular language in world because of its option A rich literacy heritage, option B inbuilt flexibility, option C strength of communication, option D openness. The correct answer for the question is strength of communication. English is most popular language in the world because of its strength and communication. Strength of communication. Due to strength of communication, it is the most popular language in the world. English is the most popular language because it is because of its the strength of communication. Okay, then come to the next question. Organs of speech are used in option A listening and speaking, option B speaking and reading, option C listening and reading, option D reading and writing. The correct answer for the question is speaking and reading. Organ of speech are used in speaking and reading. So we can use the organs during speaking and reading. Okay, then go for the next question. Okay, question number 19. Pronunciation is more important in the skill of when pronunciation is more important. Okay, pronunciation is more important while we speak. Okay, so pronunciation is more important in the skill of speaking. In the skill of speaking, pronunciation is more important. Then come to the next question. Question number 20. Most inputs in respect of language come from option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, option D writing. Correct answer for the question is reading. Most input in respect of language come from reading. Okay, we get much and more inputs when we read. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 21. Pause is necessary while option A listening and speaking, option B speaking and writing, option C writing and reading, option D speaking and reading. The correct answer is speaking and reading. Pause is necessary while speaking and reading. Okay, we will pause some for some moments while we speak and while we read. Okay, so pause is necessary while we speak and read. So the answer is speaking and reading. Pause is necessary while speaking and reading. The next question is, this is a motor skill. Option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, option D writing. Okay, the correct answer is writing. Writing is a motor skill. Then go for the next question. Question number 23. Mind, eye and hand coordination is essential for mind, eye and hand coordination is essential for what? Option A writing, option B reading, option C speaking, option D listening. The correct answer is writing. Mind, eye and hand coordination is essential for writing. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 24. Reciprocation is necessary in the skills of option A speaking and reading, option B listening and speaking, option C reading and writing, option D speaking and writing. Okay, the correct answer is listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. Reciprocation is necessary in the skill of listening and speaking. Okay, chunking is useful in the skill of option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, option D writing. The correct answer, chunking is useful in the skill of reading. In the skill of reading, chunking is useful in skill of reading. Come to the next question. Question number 26. Okay, the most important feature of good handwriting is option A uniform stroke, option B legibility, option C uniform shape, option D equal spacing. The correct answer is legibility. The most important feature of good handwriting is legibility. Then come to the next question. Question number 27. While reading, the primary role is played by option A lips, option B mind, option C tongue, option C eyes. The correct answer is eyes. While reading, the primary role is played by eyes. The primary role is played by eyes. Okay, while we read, eye acts as the primary role. Then come to the next question. Question number 28. Gesture and postures are posed in Option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, option D writing. The correct answer is speaking. Gesture and posture are used in speaking. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 29. Using comma, colon and full stop is known as option A punctuation, option B articulation, option C intonation, option D stress. The correct answer for the question using comma, colon and full stop is known as punctuation. Punctuation. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 30. An example of multilingual skill is option A listening, option B speaking, option C reading, option D writing. Okay, then the correct answer, the example of multilingual skill is reading. Reading is an example of multilingual skill. Okay, then come to the next question. Question number 31. Sense grouping helps in option A giving pause, option B comprehension, option C articulation, option D sensitization. The correct answer is comprehension. Sense grouping helps in comprehension. Okay, sense grouping helps in comprehension. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.